Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Art of the Start: Turning Ideas into High-Growth Business. Lecture 10. The Art of the Start: Execution and Success Factors. Developing an execution-focused mindset. Setting goals and measuring key metrics. Monitoring progress and making data-driven decisions. Learning from failures and pivoting when needed. The Art of the Start. Starting a new project can be both exciting and daunting. You have a vision in your mind, but it can be difficult to know where to begin. The art of the start is all about taking that first step and setting yourself up for success. It requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and execution. You need to be able to think outside the box, while also having a solid plan in place. And most importantly, you need to be able to take action and make things happen. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to execute quickly and effectively is more important than ever. Execution and success factors. Execution is a critical component of achieving success. It's not enough to have a great idea or a solid plan. Without effective execution, those things are meaningless. In fact, many successful companies have achieved their success not because they had the best ideas or plans, but because they executed better than their competitors. There are several key factors that contribute to effective execution. First and foremost, it requires a clear understanding of what needs to be done and why. This means setting clear goals and priorities, and communicating them effectively to everyone involved. It also requires having the right people in place, with the necessary skills and experience to get the job done. Finally, it requires a culture that values execution and holds everyone accountable for delivering results. Developing an execution-focused mindset. One of the keys to achieving success is having an execution-focused mindset. This means prioritizing action and taking steps towards achieving your goals, rather than just talking about them. To develop this mindset, it's important to focus on building habits that support execution. This might include setting clear goals, breaking them down into manageable tasks, and holding yourself accountable for completing them. Another strategy for developing an execution-focused mindset is to embrace a growth mindset. This means seeing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as failures. By focusing on what you can learn from each experience, you can build resilience and develop the skills and knowledge needed to succeed. Setting goals and measuring key metrics. Setting clear and specific goals is crucial for achieving success. Without a clear goal in mind, it's difficult to know what steps to take to move forward. When setting goals, it's important to make them measurable and time-bound. This means defining specific metrics that can be used to track progress and setting a deadline for achieving the goal. Measuring progress through key metrics allows you to stay on track and make adjustments as needed. It also helps to ensure that everyone involved in the project is working towards the same goal. Some examples of key metrics include revenue growth, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement. By regularly tracking these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to achieve your goals. Monitoring progress and making data-driven decisions. Monitoring progress is a critical component of achieving success. It allows you to identify potential issues early on and make necessary adjustments before it's too late. By using data to inform your decisions, you can ensure that you are making informed choices based on objective information rather than just gut feelings or assumptions. There are many tools and techniques available for monitoring progress and making data-driven decisions. These include things like dashboards, analytics software, and key performance indicators (KPIs). By leveraging these tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of how your business is performing and make more informed decisions about what actions to take next. Learning from failures and pivoting when needed. One of the most important lessons that successful companies have learned is the ability to learn from their failures and pivot when necessary. Many of the world's most successful companies, including Apple, Amazon, and Google, have all experienced major failures at some point in their history. However, they were able to use these failures as learning opportunities and make the necessary changes to become even more successful. In order to learn from failures and pivot when needed, it's important to have a culture that values experimentation and risk-taking. This means creating an environment where employees feel comfortable taking risks and trying new things, even if they may not always succeed. It also means being willing to admit mistakes and make changes quickly, rather than sticking with a failing strategy out of pride or stubbornness. Conclusion. The Art of the Start, Execution and Success Factors offers valuable insights and guidance for individuals and entrepreneurs looking to embark on a successful journey in the business world. In its conclusion, the book emphasizes the importance of execution and highlights key success factors that can make a significant difference in achieving one's goals. Here are some key takeaways from the conclusion. Execution is everything. The book underscores the significance of execution in turning ideas into reality. While ideas are important, they are meaningless without proper execution. Successful entrepreneurs focus on taking action, making things happen, and continuously iterating and improving their products or services, make meaningful and purposeful products. The author emphasizes the need to create products or services that have a meaningful impact on people's lives. By focusing on solving real problems and addressing genuine needs, entrepreneurs can build products that resonate with their target audience and create long-term value. Build a great team. The book stresses the importance of assembling a talented and diverse team. Surrounding yourself with people who complement your skills and share your passion and vision can greatly enhance your chances of success. A great team provides the necessary support, expertise, and motivation to overcome challenges and achieve goals. Focus on providing value. Entrepreneurs should prioritize delivering value to their customers. By consistently exceeding expectations and providing exceptional experiences, entrepreneurs can cultivate a loyal customer base and establish a competitive advantage. Value creation should be at the forefront of every decision and action taken by the startup. Embrace the power of evangelism. The book encourages entrepreneurs to embrace the role of evangelists for their products or services. By passionately promoting and advocating for what they believe in, entrepreneurs can inspire others, build a strong brand, and create a community of loyal supporters and customers. Adapt and iterate. The conclusion emphasizes the need for flexibility and the willingness to adapt in the face of changing circumstances. Successful entrepreneurs are not afraid to pivot or make necessary adjustments to their strategies based on market feedback and evolving trends.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.